Congratulations on putting your life back on drive with Shabana Motors. In this video, we'll be going over 4 key points and reminders to better help you. Welcome to our family. We've been serving Houston for over 40 years and are happy to now serve you. 1. Referral Program. We like to give back to our customers and offer a $500 referral reward program. Refer us to a friend or family member, and if they purchase a car with us, we'll give you $500. It's that easy. 2. Honeywell Service Center. It's important for you to know that every vehicle goes through our 32-point inspection and is given a new oil change. We do our best in providing you with a reliable vehicle. That's why we offer a 2-year or 24,000-mile warranty and 1-year roadside assistance. However, we understand that vehicles may encounter problems. Please make sure that if your vehicle has any problems, follow these steps. Please call AAA Roadside Assistance, 1-800-222-4537, and inform them that you want your vehicle taken to Honeywell Service Center. We have a well-established service center with 10 technicians, including an ASE certified lead tech, and 12 lifts to help with your service needs. We also provide a free diagnostic and customer discount for any service needed outside of the warranty. Just let them know you are a Shabana customer. We've got you covered. If you have any trouble or questions regarding our service center, call us at 713-636-9373 or visit us at 9807 Honeywell Road. We're here to help. 3. How to make a payment. Now let's introduce you to all the easy ways you can make a payment. 1. Autopay using a debit or credit card. 2. Download our app, Platinum Investors of Texas. 3. Directly on ShabanaMotors.com. 4. On the phone, 713-270-9005. 5. By visiting us in person, 9811 Southwest Freeway. 4. Google Review. Last but not least, we value your thoughts and feedback. Please share your experience by leaving us a Google review. And don't forget to shout out your sales representative. Thanks again for choosing Shabana Motors, and welcome to our family.